Now is your time. This is your moment. Do you have what it takes? Maybe you think your recordings are just too amateur. Well, don't let your dreams die that easy. You have a song. You have a voice. Record your work on your smartphone and post it for the world to see.
Introducing the Portable Home Studio. Use the Portable Home Studio with your smartphone to record your work. The Portable Home Studio is used by all ages for a variety of music types. Mount your smartphone inside the home studio before recording. It is lined with acoustical foam to isolate your voice and cancel out background noise. It has an elastic band to cradle any smartphone, regardless of size. Record with a variety of filters to capture the exact sound you need. The portable studio comes in multiple sizes. The smaller version is used by placing the microphone end of your smartphone into the designated slot. Our largest size integrates well with standalone microphones as well as smartphones.
Hi, I'm Carl Williams, the creator of the Portable Home Studio. My home studio is a simple solution to one of our most intimate primal needs, or a need to be heard. I have a voice, and I too have a song. Join my team today. Help me to develop and commercialize my home studio. I'm currently working with a team of engineers and business leaders to bring my idea to life. Although it takes time and support, but together we can give all people a simple tool just to share their voice and their song at studio level quality. Our first run of parts will be sent out as rewards to many of our donors. And if you receive a portable home studio, please share your feedback with me. Your voice counts. Pledge today, and let's share our song together.